We had an actress also in that. The best part, what I liked about the event was nobody cared a damn, what age group you are, what occupation you have, which gender you belong. But it all mattered that you're a traveler, you like exploring. Don't go
MC.
MC is a bad word. So Namaskaram CS Bangalore, Namaskaram CS Chennai, and Namaskaram CS Kochi and Kasaragod and Calicut, who are there. So today we have gathered for Ranipuram Trek. Ranipuram Trek is tomorrow, but this is a small introduction event. So we just need to keep in mind that you have to tell the name, where you're from. In one sentence you have to describe yourself. Again you have to say your favorite destination you have been so far, your dream destination. You can share your CS experience. It is not mandatory. Sharing CS experience is not mandatory, but you will be not allotted more than 5 minutes.
Max fine.
Okay?
No.
You have to come here.
You have to finish by 8 p.m. We'll have dinner by 8 p.m. Okay. So 5 minutes max.
So my name is Vineet Patil. I'm working in Ernakulam. So one sentence about me. It's been past 2 years. I'm a part of CS Kochi, and it's been like really fun. And it's good to see you all today. My favorite destination so far has been Kochi only. Because I met like really good people. To be honest, Kochi is the favorite destination. And my dream destination is going maybe to Lakshadweep someday. Not so far. I just want to explore the routes first. So going to Lakshadweep is like, nearby destination. Okay. Next person, we can have anybody from Chennai. Let it happen like one person from Kerala, one person from Tamil Nadu, one person from Bangalore. So from Bangalore, who's coming?
Hey guys, my name is Daya. I belong to Bangalore. I'm from CS Bangalore as well. This is my I think third or fourth event with CS Bangalore. My favorite destination is the CIS area, like Armenia, Azerbaijan, Georgia. It's like it has a really lot of unexplored history for everyone. If you guys want to try it out, I want to scale the complete coastal area of India like in next 5 years. That's my target, and I have done already Kerala to Kanyakumari. Like Kasaragod to Kanyakumari, and I want to do all the way from Rajasthan till from Gujarat till West Bengal. That's my idea. That's about it. Thanks.
Myself Ketishwaran. I'm working as a software engineer in Chennai.
Myself Normal, actually from Malappuram.
Hi guys, I'm Vishnu. Part of CS Bangalore, CS Kerala as well.
Myself Balaji. So I'm part of CS Chennai.
Hi, good evening. Myself Gautam Krishnan, actually born and brought up in Trivandrum, right now working in Kochi.
My name is Satyam Gupta. I am from Chhattisgarh, Bilaspur, and currently working in Bangalore.
Good evening everyone. So, my name is Abdullah, full name Abdullah Mangarat, and I am from Trikiripur, which is in Kasaragod district.
I don't know how to introduce. I'm Shaheen, I'm from Kasaragod.
My name is Hari, and I am from Taliparamba, Kannur district.
So, I'm Om. I am from Talsheri.
Good evening. My name is Abdullah, and I'm from Kasaragod itself.
Hi. My name is Haris. Kasaragod Swadesham.
My name is Jamshir. I'm working in Dubai as software engineer.
अशरफ मालिका या हिंदी ले बढ़िया थोड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छा है हिंदी बोलने के लिए मुझे थोड़ा मैं वर्किंग बोलिविया में करता हूँ लापा से
Hello everyone, I am Kavya. I am from Kasaragod and I work in Chennai as an HR.
My name is Sujit Kumar. I was working in Mozambique for 8 years. I left the job just for traveling. Traveling is my main passion. So since I left the job in last year, in 2020 in March, and now I'm looking forward to travel across every country on the planet. That's my ultimate goal. Till now, I've traveled across 5 continents and 15 countries, and my dream, the country which I've been most favorite place is Machu Picchu in Peru, and my dream destination is EBC, Mount Everest Base Camp.
Hello all, my name is Rupal Achrekar. I am a Mumbaikar. For the last 2 to 3 years, I'm in Bangalore, from Bangalore. Professionally, I'm a HR person. I have my own HR company.
So my name is Adi. So this is my first expo associated with CS Chennai.
Hey all, my name is Karthik and I live in Bangalore. And I'm one of the ambassadors of Couchsurfing Bangalore. A cordial invitation to each one of you in the month of April 2nd, that is on Good Friday. It's going to be a holiday for most of you all. Then Saturday, Sunday. So 3 continuous days. We are planning for a non-commercial event, Couchsurfing event in Bangalore. It is going to be a couch crash in Bangalore, where we are expecting people from different parts of India. So the things are posted in Couchsurfing Bangalore page. You guys can go ahead, check out, and please join the event. Please do attend the event. Most welcome. About the event, it is going to be really fun. Rest things in real. That's it.
Hi, myself Akash.
I am Sumati. I am from Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu. I am part of CS Kochi.
Hi guys, I'm Naren from Chennai. Friends, good evening to all. So my name is Arvind and I'm from Tamil Nadu, Chennai. And currently I'm working in Royal Bank of Scotland in Ambattur, Chennai. I'm Rishi from Chennai. I'm a digital marketer by profession.
My name is Zifreen. I am from Manjeshwar, that is like 5 kilometers from the Karnataka border. I am doing my BDS at AJ Mangalore.
I am Arjun. I am basically from Kannur.
And Peru Vishnu.
Any language?
Hi, I am Anil. I am from Thrissur, part of Kochi CS. I'm Diljit. I am from Alapi. And actually, currently I'm not doing any job.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Nikhil Xavier. I come from Kochi. I am part of CS Kochi group since last 2 years.
I am from Thrissur, Kerala. I am a tax practitioner and a travel blogger.
Hello guys, my name is Jagdish. I am from Kanjungar. I am into couchsurfing for last 10 years. Actually, we started group in CS Kochi 3 years before. We started like January 2018. Last month I created group in Kannur, Kasaragod. We had first meetup. Almost 20-25 people came for the first meetup. This was our first trip. Actually, this trip we planned for only for local guys, but someone shared to all groups, so lots of people came. And
after this, what is that?
Okay, after this we will have dinner. Okay. Okay. We have a co-host is Anup. Okay, even outside. He's actually working in this Ranipuram forest. He's a forest rescuer. So he only arranged all these things. Okay, he will give an introduction after he came.
Hello, good evening. My name is Muhammad Yasir from Trikkaripur, Kerala.
Hi, I just wanted to say I joined CS hardly 2 months now. And in these 2 months, I already attended more than 4 CS meetups. I've already attended outstation 2 trips. One was for 3. This will be the 3rd trip within 2 months, and I've already hosted 3 papers. So yeah, that's what I've done in 2 months. Thank you. Initially, I was actually wondered because I come from Mumbai, and we have been taught right from childhood, don't trust strangers. We don't even allow neighbors to come inside when my parents are not there. I mean, that is our upbringing. From there to host completely strangers, I mean, I've learned that only because of CS. I just wanted to share that.
I came to Kochi in month of Jan 2019. It was like pretty much alien island for me because language barrier was there, and I happened to interact with Ratish, and Ratish was the person who introduced me to the CS traveling part. So before I used CS, but not the active person. I would like to tell about our first trip, which we had to Uti Kannur, right? Uti and Kunnur. Uti Kunnur. And that was a trip which organized with Ratish. Nobody knew, there were only few people who were knowing each other before, and Magzi were the newcomers like me. So it got a good opportunity for me to interact with new people, and we had an actress also in that. The best part, what I liked about the event was nobody cared a damn, what age group you are, what occupation you have, which gender you belong. But it all mattered that you're a traveler, you like exploring, and that is the essence of CS, because you're meeting new people, you're meeting stranger, but at the same time you're sharing that time, and that time is much valuable, because any which ways daily you're interacting with people, and here nobody's going to judge you who you are, what you're going to do. And mainly in this past 2 years I've been like traveling a lot because of CS, and Ratish has been a really kind person to monthly hosting events. Because of Corona, I guess almost in a year we didn't get a chance to organize any event.
Okay, let me introduce myself. Myself Sharif. I am from Calicut.
Anup is co-host for the event, and regarding tomorrow, any doubt you have, please feel free to ask right now.
Myself Anup, and I work as a forest rescuer. പേര് പറഞ്ഞു അനൂപ് എന്നാണ്. പിന്നെ ഞാനിവിടെ ഫോറസ്റ്റ് ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിൽ റെസ്ക്യൂവറായിട്ട് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. റെസ്ക്യൂവറാണ്, പിന്നെ വൈൽഡ് ലൈഫ് വാച്ചർ, അങ്ങനെ കുറച്ച് പരിപാടികളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. പിന്നെ ഇപ്പോൾ ഇത് കോഹോസ്റ്റ് രതീഷേട്ടൻ്റെ കൂട്ടത്തിൽ ഇത് ഹോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഞാനും കൂടിയാണ്. ഇവിടുത്തെ സംബന്ധിച്ച് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട്സ്, എന്തെങ്കിലും കാര്യങ്ങൾ അറിയാനുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, അതായത് റാണിപുരത്തെ പറ്റിയോ അങ്ങനെ എന്തെങ്കിലും കാര്യങ്ങൾ അറിയാനുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചോദിക്കാം. നമ്മുടെ പ്ലാൻ, നമ്മൾ നോർമലി ഇവിടുത്തെ ട്രക്കിംഗ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഒരു 8 മണിക്കാണ്, 8 AM in the morning.
8 AM in the morning.
അത് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഒരു സ്പെഷ്യൽ കൺസിഡറേഷൻ നമ്മൾ കുറച്ച് നേരത്തെ പോകും. ബാക്കിയുള്ള ആളുകൾ എൻ്റർ ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് പരമാവധി നേരത്തെ. അത് ആക്ച്വലി വി നീഡ് ടു കൺസിഡർ ദ കണ്ടീഷൻ. ലൈക്ക് എലഫൻ്റ് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് അത്രയും ഏർലി മോർണിംഗ് പോകാൻ പറ്റില്ല. സോ അത് നമ്മളൊന്ന് നോക്കിയിട്ട് സപ്പോസ് കണ്ടീഷൻസ് ഓക്കെ ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ രാവിലെ, പരമാവധി രാവിലെ പറ്റുമെങ്കിൽ സൺറൈസ് നമുക്ക് കാണണം ടോപ്പിൽ വെച്ച്. അത് ട്രൈ ചെയ്യും. പിന്നെ നാളത്തെ പ്ലാൻ രാവിലെ നമ്മൾ ജസ്റ്റ് ഒരു ചായ മാത്രം കുടിച്ചിട്ട് ഇവിടുന്ന് പോയിട്ട് തിരിച്ച് വന്നിട്ട് മാത്രമായിരിക്കും ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ്. നമുക്ക് ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് ഒരു 2.5 kilometers ഉണ്ട് ട്രക്കിംഗ്. You are not supposed to carry any lighters, matchbox, cigarettes like that, and alcohol also it's prohibited. And we are not supposed to give anything to the forest, and we are not supposed to take anything from the forest.
My name is Pratish. I'm from Kannur.
Okay. My name is Rohan, and I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. So I am planning to go and walk along the sides of River Kaveri. So if you know, like there is 7 major religious rivers of India, which is one is Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Narmada, Shipra, Krishna, and one is of the most spiritual and more religious place of rivers of South India, which is Kaveri. So Kaveri is length is 800 kilometers. So I am thinking of walking along the coast, along the whole side of river Kaveri. So nobody has done. People have done, but have done in a very different way. They haven't done in a proper way of river side of the river. So I am planning to do that.